Hello students, a very good morning to all. Let's start the today's session. Chapter 6 Information Processing Continuation. Pie chart. Students, this is the another form of representation of information. In last session we have seen bar graph, that is bar chart. Okay, now this session we are going to see how to draw the pie chart. Okay, the pie charts are nothing but the information must be represented in a circular form only. Okay, see, in the down they have given a definition: a special chart that uses pie slices to show the relative size of data is called pie chart. See, it must be represented in a circle form only. Okay, see, it is the information about the favorite fruit. Okay, see, the each thing has been separated by a different color, that is blue color, pink color, purple, yellow, orange. The each color is represent the fruit name, so it is the information about the favorite fruit. So this is the way that you must represent the data in a pie chart. I mean, in a pie chart you must represent the data like this only. Is it clear, children? So what do you mean by pie chart? The pie chart, the information are represent in a circular form. Okay, is it clear? Yes. See, this is another example. What is your favorite fruit? And the values must be given based on the respective thing. Suppose the 30% of the people like banana, 20% of the people like pineapple, 13% of the people like only orange. It's a information about the each thing, that is each fruit here. Is it clear? Now see, this is the pie chart of different languages. This each thing is called it as segment. The circle is divided into smaller parts and each part is called as segment. So the pie chart are used to compare the parts of the whole. Okay, and each segment it consists of different value. See, this is the information about the different languages. What are the languages is given here? Tamil, Telugu, English and Malayalam. Each language has different value, right? Tamil is 50, English is 20, Malayalam is 20 and Telugu is 10. So each thing has different value. Is it clear, children? Now see, this is the example of observe the pie chart and we have to answer the following question which is given here. Okay, see, number of people who speak Tamil 50 and number of people who speak English 20. Number of people who speak Malayalam 20. Number of people who speak Telugu 10. Is it clear? Now it's an exercise problem. Write down the percentage of content in human body from the given pie chart. Already they have given the pie chart with the information about the content that is present in the human body. How to write down the percentage? See, percentage of water content in human body is 60%. Then percentage of protein content in human body is 24%. And percentage of other content in human body is 16%. Is it clear? Now, this is a second problem. They have given the pie chart with the information about the number of varieties of ice cream in an ice cream parlor. Children, how many ice cream varieties are there? 3. What are they? Pista, vanilla and chocolate. And how many pista flavor are there? 30. And how many chocolate? 20. And how many vanilla flavors are there? Vanilla 50. Is it clear? Now find the number of vanilla ice cream. How many vanilla ice creams are there? 50. Is it clear? Now, find the total number of chocolate and pista ice cream. Chocolate is 20, pista is 30. So, total number of chocolate and pista ice cream is 50. Now, find the total number of ice creams. See how many flavors are there? 3 flavors. Vanilla 50, chocolate 20 and pista 30. So, now we want to add all the 3 flavors. So, the total answer is 50 plus 20 is 70. 70 plus 30 is equal to 100. Is it clear? Now, it is the information given in a graph, that is bar graph. Okay. See, in a class of 30 children, absentees record was presented in a graph. This is the information about number of absentees in a month. Okay, what are the months given here? January to March, April to June, July to September, and October to December. First question, in which month there are more absentees? See, by seeing the graph itself, we can able to find out October to December, right? Then which month there are less absentees? That is January to March. Then draw a pie chart for the favorite sweets of your family members. Students, see, the heading is very important for the pie chart. Okay. So while you are drawing the pie chart, you must write down the heading, that is title is very important. What is the title you can give here? Favorite sweets of your family members. So you can give favorite sweets. First, you have to draw the circle and use different colors. Okay. Now, in my family, the family members like gulab jam 50% and laddu 25% and rasamalai 20%. You can write your own flavor of sweets also. Okay, there is nothing wrong in that, and you can use different colors also. Okay, and you can divide it according to the value. Now I have divided the gulab jam 50%. Suppose you want to make jalebi as 16%, means you have to divide according to the values. Is it clear? Now, fifth one, collect information about the favorite pets of your classmates. Draw bar graph and pie chart for the same data. Now, what are the favorite pets? Cat, dog and birds. Number of classmates liked. Cat, it is 10, dog 60 and birds it is 30. Now, we are going to see how to draw the bar graph. Okay. See, I've drawn the bars. Actually, in last session itself, I told you how to draw the bar graph, right? You can use different colors to represent the pets. Okay. See, what are the pets here? Birds, dog and cat. Birds, number of classmates like is 30. Dog, number of classmates like is 60. And cat, number of classmates like is 10. Is it clear? Then, in a horizontal thing, you have to mention favorite pets. In the vertical thing, you have to write number of classmates liked. Okay. Now, with the same thing, how to do it in a pie chart? First, we have to draw the circle according to the values. I have divided the circle. Is it clear? Now, I have given the heading favorite pets. That is your title. Then, dog, how many classmates at I mean is like 60%. So see the differentiation. Okay. Now birds 30% and cat it is 10%. Is it clear? First you have to draw the circle and divide the circle according to the values and then write down the title, then write down the given information. Is it clear, children? Now you are all known to draw this pie chart, right? Students, practice this pie chart. Okay. Hope you understand this session. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.